Hello guys, today we'll be talking about quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. I am sure you don't be familiar with quadratic equation under mathematics. Now, we have different methods where we go use solve quadratic equation. We have factorization method, we have completing the square method, and we have quadratic formula. Now, make I start taking it one after the other. Let's start with factorization method. Factorization method. Now make I give you an example. More go straight. Don't say me I don't like to waste time. More go straight. Make I give you one example. Sharp. They say s square plus 5s plus 6. 5s plus 6. They say make you solve this equation using quadratic equation. Using factorization method. This is a quadratic equation. Do you understand? They say make you solve them using factorization method. Now look at this equation. You know hard. This one go turn. This one will be. Name this one A. Call this one B, call this one to C. Here you get. The first method, if you want to solve them with factorization method, the first method where you go, first rule where you go do be say, you go multiply the coefficient of A, multiply it with what? C. Na grammar, they tell you, na grammar. I know say that coefficient, you don't pass your brain. What time they talk, you say, check the thing with the beside S. This A, you know the A na S. Check the thing with the beside this one. Wetin dey inside beside am na 1, but you no fit see am na invisible. All these things suppose don know. You know say you no fit see the 1 na invisible. So wetin I dey talk say you go multiply the 1 wey dey here, multiply am with wetin dey here, with this 6 wey dey here. Multiply the coefficient of A with coefficient of C. Yeah, 1 dey here. Multiply am with wetin? With C. You understand? Sorry, make I not talk say coefficient of C. Multiply coefficient of A with what? C. Do you understand? If you multiply 1 times 6, what will give you? 6. Not still the same thing. So just write down s squared plus 5s plus 1 times 6. What will give you? Now 6. Write your 6. Got to 0. Now, second rule is that you go look for two numbers where they say you go multiply them together. It go give you 6. And if you add those two numbers, it will give you 5. You understand what I talk? I say you go look for two numbers where they say you go multiply them together, it will give you 6. And you go still add them, you go still add that same two number, you go add them together, it will give you 5. Oh yeah, now move down now. Let's say 2 and 3. Abi 2 and 3. Abi? Yeah, 2 times 3 go give you waiting. It will give you 6. Abi? 6 day here. 2 plus 3, waiting go give you. Will give you waiting 5. 5 day here. So we don't get waiting they look for now. Okay, maybe you want to say, okay, now 6 and 1 you won't use. We have to do 6 and 1. 6 and 1. 6 times 1 will give you waiting. Will give you 6. That one do okay. 6 plus 1 will give you waiting. Will give you 7. But now 5 you don't look for now. Now you see this one they wrong. Now this one correct. You understand what I talk now? So now 2 and 3 we go use. So you go come right. S squared plus now plus the here. Bring your plus here. Come put your 2. 2s. Abi? Come put your plus again. Plus. What's it mean? 3s. Abi? Come put your 6. With the come equal term to what? 0. What's it be different between this one and this one? Now just this 5s I know right for here. You understand? So I can't change them. I change this 5s, change them to all these numbers with the here. You understand what I talk now? So now so you go do. So what you go come do? Come put your bracket here. Put one bracket for here, put one bracket for here, put another bracket for here, put another bracket for here. You understand what I talk now? So as you don't put them now, so you go come waiting. You can't find something where we say it dey common for the 2 here. What is it? That's where we say it dey common. S dey here, S dey here, S dey common now. Come write your S out. Abi, come open bracket like this. Now, S divided by S squared with the here. What's it mean that? It will give you waiting. S. S times S will give you S squared back. You understand what I talk now? You understand? S in 2S will give you waiting 2. 2 times S will give you your 2S back. Close your bracket. Come put your plus. The plus will here. Put on here. Waiting with the number will come out to these 2. Now 3. Abi 3 if you go in the 2. You go. So come write your 3 out. Abi open your bracket. 3 in 3S. You will give you waiting S. Come put your plus out. 3 in 6, it will give you 2. 3 times 2, it will give you 6 back. Sorry. Come write your equals to and write your 0. I go lie for you. You know what now? So come write this S wey dey here, put am here. S. Abi? Come write this 3 wey dey here plus 3. Write your plus 3. Put am here. Open your bracket, close am. Abi? Plus S plus 2 dey here, S plus 2 dey here. This one, e go make you, if you don't say S, the thing wey dey inside this bracket, it's the same thing wey dey inside this bracket. E dey tell you say you are on the line. E dey tell you say you dey correct. The thing wey you dey do, it makes sense. Do you understand? Just carry any one of the two, come carry am. Open your bracket, S plus 2. Put am inside the bracket. You understand? Say equals to 0. Now, so what you are saying here is that you are saying S plus 3 equals to 0, or S plus 2 equals to what? 0. That's the implication. That's what you are trying to say. Now, we can solve am. Just solve am. Solve am. S plus 3 equals to 0. So find your S. S will now be what? This 3 will go the other side. It will turn to what? Minus 3. Or S plus 2 equals to 0. Find your S. S will now be equals to what? This 2 go to the other side. Go turn waiting. Minus 2. If plus 3 they go another side, it go turn to minus 3. If plus 2 they go another side, it go turn to minus 2. If you understand. So therefore, your S equals to what? Minus 3 or minus 2. So now your answer be that. I go lie for you. You know what? This is no what. So now your answer be that.